My name is Senay Alkebu-lan, and the skill that I learned at Youth Radio is how to make wireframe designs. Wireframing is essentially the process that you go through before you make an app. You map out the layout, the design, and the different functionalities that the app does. It's a drawing, usually on paper. There's also certain graphic design programs that you can use to kind of mock things up. It shows you what pages are going to connect to the other pages and what the user can click on. And it also kind of just shows, what the user is going to go through as they use the app. This is the design for the Youth Radio app, which has gone through a whole bunch of editing. How we had it before is that there were two images, one for feature stories and one for the audio stories, and we had this whole navigation bar going on at the bottom, but the design was not as user-friendly and is not as simple as we needed it to be. We got rid of the navigation bar, we just threw it away. Instead, we ended up with a lot more space, which meant that we can fit more content on the screen, our images can be a little bit bigger, and then the user feels a lot less cramped. In the app, it asks you a question after the story, and then afterwards they can share their answers and a link to the app and story on social media. I'm thankful that I learned wireframing at Youth Radio because it's informed my practice as an artist. When I go to create a large piece of art or any piece of art, period, I usually do quite a few thumbnail sketches to work out my composition, and doing wireframing, especially with app design, because it's something that people see, it helps you with your compositions and it makes things that are more appealing to the eye.